Hello there, I'm Joshua Hanlon, and today I'm at the Edo Tokyo Museum in Tokyo, Japan. This is an excellent museum to learn about the history of the Edo time period here and the history of the city of Tokyo. So it takes you from about the year 1600 when Tokugawa Ieyasu took the capital from Kyoto, Japan, and moved it over to what was then known as Edo and what is today known as Tokyo. And it takes you through all the different time periods throughout the years since 1600. It shows you what life was like, how life changed, what entertainment was like, and all the daily life and housing and everything like that during those time periods. It then also takes you through the Meiji period and the other periods that have taken place since the end of the Edo period, and takes you all the way to today. So really, from 1600 to today, the museum covers and gives tons of excellent history. It was recently renovated at the beginning of 2018, and so it feels very modern with lots of great displays. Makes excellent use of models to show what life was like in Tokyo and to show buildings and everything. And as Westerners came in the 19th century, what the Western buildings looked like. So great use of models and large displays showing city streets and things like that. Also lots of interactive exhibits. You can pick up baskets and pick up firemen's signposts and things like that, so that you can really get a feel as much as possible for what life was like. A few travel tips when you're coming here: there are free English guides that you can walk in and just go to the guide desk, and someone will then take you around the museum for about 45 minutes or an hour, giving you lots of good information, so that's really nice. You can also get an excellent audio guide as well, that if you don't want the person taking you around, you can just use the audio guide and go at your own pace. It costs about $6 for an adult to get in, which is a great deal for everything that you get at the museum. Very easy to reach by metro, and so if you've taken the metro around Tokyo, it's stopped right here, right next to the museum, so it's very easy to get here from there. And then one other tip for another thing in the local area is to check out Japan's most famous painting, which is the Great Wave, and it's at the Sumida Hokusai Museum, just a short walk away from the Edo Tokyo Museum, about 5-10 minute walk. So definitely check that out while you're in the area. Thanks so much for watching.